Welcome to Quiz Night. Today's episode is about behaviorism. Let's meet our contestants, Emma, Olivia, and Jane. Let me explain the rules. We will randomly choose a category and a dollar value. Each contestant will race to press the bell and answer the question of that dollar value. The contestant will earn that money if he or she answers the question correctly. Whoever gets the most money wins the game. Before we begin, let's test your bells. Okay, first question. It's John Watson for $200. Please explain how people learn or develop responses towards their surrounding based on his little Albert experiment.
People's behavior are shaped by our environment. In John Watson's experiment of developing conditioned fear, when the child approaches the rat, the iron bars are struck, scaring the child. So now the child is scared of the rat even without the striking sound. This experiment proves that phobia could be developed through classical conditioning.
Correct! You have $200. Okay, next question. It's Ivan Pavlov for $400. Let's demonstrate an example of Ivan Pavlov's theory of classical conditioning using this dog. Looks like Olivia had a conditioned fear of dog. Anyone wants to have this question?
I will condition the dog to salivate at the sound of this bell.
Great! Jane, you get $400. Next, B.F. Skinner for $500. According to Skinner, our behavior is strongly influenced by rewards and punishments. Please explain how the rats learn based on Skinner's operant conditioning. All right, looks like Olivia is okay now. Go ahead, Olivia.
The first clip shows the use of positive reinforcement. When the green light is on, the rat is trained to push the lever and get the reward, which is the food. The second clip shows the use of punishment. If the rat touches the door, it will get an electric shock. So the rat learns not to touch the door.
Olivia, you get $500. The time is almost up. Here comes our final question. It's our daily bonus dollar value. Whoever answered this question correctly will get $1,000. Let's have our guest, Albert Padura, to ask our final question.
I agree with the behaviorist learning theory, but I would also like to propose 3 models of observational learning. People call this social learning theory. Please write down the names of the 3 models and explain them.
Olivia, if you can explain these models correctly, you will get $1,000 and win this game.
A person is a live model when he or she demonstrates the desired behavior for another person to learn. A person uses verbal instruction when that person describes the desired behavior in detail and also instructs the learner how to do it. We model certain behavior by a real or fictional character who demonstrates the behavior through the media like movies, television, internet, and radio. This is symbolic modeling.
Congratulations! You've earned a total of $1,500. So today's winner is Olivia. Congratulations! That's all for tonight for Quiz Night. See you next week.